Race number 6. Gates open, they're up and racing. Ni Hao is Strategic Manila. Now goes right for the lead this time with a commanding break of 3. Ni Hao, shuffle back in second, then followed by Eon, Holy Nitro, Tinman as they race towards the 800 meters pole with Strategic Manila this time by about 6 to 7 lengths in front over Ni Hao, then followed by Eon, Holy Nitro and Tinman. Heading towards the 600 is Strategic Manila, while the rider Jackie Pati Ramos Dilemma is still with a double wrap in front. Moving up now to take second is Eon, Ni Hao, shuffle back in third, then followed by Holy Nitro, and trailing the group is Tinman as they swing for home is Strategic Manila by about 2 lengths. Moving up is Eon from the outside. Holy Nitro and Ni Hao is by the rail. It still is Strategic Manila over Eon, who's moving up on the outside. And finally, Eon is snatching the win over Strategic Manila. Then comes Holy Nitro, Ni Hao, and Tinman.